Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Perhaps you've heard tales of digital nomads making a living from their laptops while sipping coffee in exotic locales. Or maybe you're simply looking for a way to supplement your income without having to leave the comfort of your own home. Today we are going to unveil the secrets of earning online and how you can start today. First, let's indulge in a little myth-busting. Earning online isn't about overnight success or getting rich quick. It's about leveraging your skills, time, and resources in a digital space where opportunities are boundless. So, how does one start earning online? Step 1. Identify your skills. What can you offer the digital world? Are you a wordsmith who could write captivating blog posts or articles? Or perhaps you have a knack for graphic design, creating visually appealing logos or infographics. Maybe you're a tech whiz, able to build websites or develop software, or you could be a master of social media, knowing just what to post to get likes and shares. Identifying your skills is the first step to earning online. Step 2. Find your platform. There are numerous platforms where you can offer your skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and bid on jobs that match your skills. Alternatively, you could create your own website to showcase your work and attract clients. Step 3. Market yourself. Once you've identified your skills and found your platform, it's time to let the world know what you can do. This could involve creating a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience, sharing your work on social media, or networking with potential clients. Step 4. Deliver quality work. Once you've landed a job, it's crucial to deliver high-quality work. This will help you build a positive reputation, earn good reviews, and attract more clients. Step 5. Keep learning and improving. The digital landscape is always changing, so it's important to keep up to date with the latest trends and developments. This could involve taking online courses, attending webinars, or simply reading up on the latest news in your field. To summarize, earning online involves identifying your skills, finding the right platform, marketing yourself, delivering quality work, and continually learning and improving. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication, hard work, and a little bit of digital savvy, it's an achievable goal for anyone with something to offer the online world. So the next time someone asks you if it's possible to earn money online, you can confidently say, "Yes, it is, and I know just how to do it."